Hello everyone, today we got a package from Hansho. It is not a typical Tesla accessory package like what we do normally in the channel, but I think it's a pretty cool product. Let's take a look. This is their newest release, Cybertruck backpack. And this is a very slick, modern looking backpack. Of course, I ordered my Cybertruck and patiently waiting. I'm pretty sure you all are in the same boat as well. And this makes a great gift for a Cybertruck enthusiast. It has got that Cybertruck design over here, the very unique design that we see on Cybertruck. This is a carbon material, some plastic inside, and they made it a breathable material over here. Very large capacity. This has got 35 liters of capacity, so this is a pretty large backpack. It has got a TSA lock over here. This is 18 inches in length, so you can fit your 17-inch laptop, which we happen to have one today here, so we're gonna test it. It has got about 12 inches of width over here, and then 4.5 inches of depth, but you can also open this zipper here and extend by another 2 inches here, so give you about roughly 6.5 inches of depth over here. They also got a charging capacity here, and we'll show you here in just a second what that looks like. So we have got a whole bunch of items over here. We've got a 17-inch laptop, got some camera gear here. We have a power bank that I want to demonstrate how the charging works. Got the charger, so let's try to put all of this inside. So first of all, we have got this TSA lock. The default pin code is 00030, and when you pull on this lever here, the zippers unlock and you can open this backpack. So as I said, this is a 35-liter capacity. It's a unique backpack. It has got this front compartment here, and then it has got other compartments over here. There's another pocket here, and then of course this final one is for the laptop. So as I said earlier, I've got this 17-inch laptop, and so I put it in, fit really nicely. We actually have some room left over here, so even a larger laptop than this can fit, but the 17-inch fits really well. We can put our chargers here, we can put our camera gear here as well, and our headphones fit. So it's got a pretty big capacity, and this zipper closes right now if we wanted to close it, or we can also expand the zipper. As I said earlier, there is this expansion pack over here. So if we expand this, it becomes even a larger backpack. So gives me a little bit more room, and I can easily close this out. So here you go. This is fully closed, and I can even lock it. As you see, it expanded quite a bit by just opening that zipper, and everything fits well inside. I mean, I still have plenty of room left over. So if we open this, we have fit everything here. You can put mouse, you can put keyboard, you can put iPads here, you can put notebooks, you can put pens, everything that you need for travel. You can put some clothes in the back over here as well. I typically just fly with my backpack. I don't take a luggage, so having this extra large capacity helps. Of course, it's not like a massively large backpack, but this is perfect size for me to travel with. So for this charging port over here, how this works is we have got a connector over here inside. It has got a USB-A input, and so you take your power bank, not included, and you plug this in over here. You can leave your power bank just here, and we can see that it is starting to read in the power bank here. This is the Anker power bank, not sponsored by Anker. And then what you do is after you have that plugged in, now you have got one USB-A and one USB-C port over here. So you have that output, you take that, then you can plug in your phone with the charger, and it started charging. So super cool, super easy. It's not bulky. It's in the bottom of the backpack, and you can still carry this and have your phone in your pocket and while your phone is charging. So now you don't have to put it inside your backpack or have a hole through here where the cable is coming out. This is super easy. You can just carry with your backpack, and it looks like you're charging from your backpack, which is really awesome. Again, goes with our modern flow, super slick looking backpack with unique features. You can also hold this backpack just like a normal backpack and be able to carry with it like this. Of course, you can put it on and use it as a typical backpack. So it's a very slick looking backpack. As you can see, it's a futuristic design. I also really like that this cover, this outside shell cover, is water resistant, weather resistant. So having a laptop inside, it gives me that peace of mind that if I am going through a rain, this is still going to hold up because this is not a cloth material. This is actually a carbon material. This is super strong, so it's weather resistant as well. So maybe a very small thing, but I wanted to point out that this has got a locking mechanism over here for the strap so that you can just lift this and then you can pull this strap to adjust the length that you need rather than, this is the typical where it passes through a clip over here and then you push it. This has that actual locking mechanism. Again, as I said, maybe a very small thing, and maybe I'm saying too much about a backpack, but I don't know, this is really exciting. This is really comfortable. I mean, the straps are really adjustable, and I mean, it's a backpack, right? It's a typical backpack, but I was worried that it was gonna be heavy because of this material, but it's a carbon material, carbon fiber material with some plastic, as I said, so it is a very lightweight material. It's not very heavy, so I even have a laptop inside here, and I can easily carry this around. So this is a really nice backpack. One thing that is missing from this is, for those of you who like carrying your water bottle on the side, which I definitely do, this does not have that. So you're gonna have to put your water bottle inside. While traveling, I do carry water bottles, so I guess that is my negative about this backpack. With all the positives that I have mentioned, it does not have the water bottle holder. So another thing that I noticed is I wish they allow you to change the side for this charger port here, because I typically put my phone on my right pocket while I'm traveling, or any day, because my left pocket is filled with a lot of things and my right pocket is just for my phone. So now I'm gonna have to put my charger all the way around or through the back and then put my phone in the pocket here while charging. It would have been really nice if it was a selectable feature. All right, that's about everything I can say about a backpack. After all, it is just a backpack, but because of its unique features, such as its cool Cybertruck design, modern, slick-looking backpack, and not something that you typically see around, right? So this is really unique, and if you have been following my channel, I'm all about having unique features, unique things in the car, making my car look different than anybody's, but now making my backpack look different than anybody's, and with the Cybertruck design nonetheless. So really excited for this. As I said in the beginning, that I'm patiently waiting for my Cybertruck to arrive, and I'm gonna take this on a trip and then see what type of reactions that I get from people. But yeah, it has got some unique features: TSA lock, the charge port over here, a waterproof design, and it is a large backpack. It has got some of those downsides, like not having the water bottle holder over here, and having that selectable charge port would have been really nice. But overall, a really nice gift for someone who is a Cybertruck enthusiast like myself, because when I saw this, I got really excited, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you are in the same boat. So what do you all think about this backpack? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What can Hansho do to improve it in the future? If you would like to check this out, I have a special link down below from Hansho. This was sent to me free of charge by Hansho, full disclosure, just to talk about it in the channel and share my honest opinion. If you do make a purchase using my link and a discount code Shiba Tesla, you will save some money, but in return, I might also make a small commission from yourself at no additional cost to you, and that helps us bring more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. We'll be back again with another Tesla accessory.